Hey folks, it's Simon here. Welcome to your Tao Daily for the market close as of Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. The S&P and the Nasdaq managed pretty decent gains on Thursday. S&P closed well off its highs, but still managed a 0.7% gain, ostensibly on the back of a trade deal that was reached with the UK. Now, there are many press reports suggesting that this wasn't a complete deal, but that said, it looks like we're in a phase now where the trade news is likely to become incrementally positive, or at least incrementally less bad than it was. We're already in a pretty bad spot, particularly with China, where tariffs are at embargo levels. And if we do start to see positive news trickling through, the market is likely to respond positively to that. So, we could be in a background where the news flow is slightly more helpful for the bullish outlook. Looking at the S&P technically, we are just above a key retracement level. We're still below the 200 SMA, so a little bit undecided here. I've just drawn a little box around price just to remind me not to get too excited until we break one way or the other. Same with the Nasdaq, similar kind of set of circumstances. We're above a key retracement level. We're still below the 200 SMA. This is a highly logical point where the Nasdaq could pull back, maybe give us another buy the dip opportunity, unless it breaks through in the short term. Now, we had a day today that felt certainly fairly risk on. If we look at the market map, the action was all in mega cap tech and the more growthy and cyclical sectors. So consumer discretionary was strong, industrials were strong, materials were strong, energy was strong, communication services were kind of flat, but tech was strong, semiconductors were strong, Mag 7 strong. And the four sectors that were weaker were the defensive sectors: healthcare, consumer staples, utilities, and real estate. So it just feels like the market is adopting a more risk-on kind of stance. That can also be seen with assets like Bitcoin. Bitcoin rallied over 6%. All right, so very strong rally on Thursday, which also lends credence to the idea that the market is more in a risk-on stance than risk-off. That's what I got for you today. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you next week. Thank you.